Welcome back to the Makeforms tutorial series. In this video, we're going to explore the OpenAI Field. With the OpenAI Field, you can automate personalized outputs inside your forms. Instead of collecting data and responding later, you can deliver value instantly. This works for workout plans, travel itineraries, meal schedules, study plans, and custom business strategies. To make this practical, we'll build a simple diet plan generator form that creates a custom diet plan for every submission. Let's start with a basic form. We'll add the following fields: name, gender, age, primary goal, and dietary preference. Now, instead of manually reviewing each response and sending a diet plan, we'll use the OpenAI field to generate a personalized diet plan instantly. From the field panel, drag the OpenAI field into your form. Place it after the user inputs, since we want to use their answers to generate the plan. Inside the settings, you'll see several important options. Let's go through them one by one. First, you'll see temperature. Temperature controls how creative or controlled the output should be. A lower value like 0.2 or 0.3 gives you more structured and predictable responses. A higher value like 0.7 or 0.8 makes the output more creative and varied. For a diet plan generator, you might choose a balanced setting like 0.5 to keep responses useful but slightly personalized. Enter your OpenAI API key. This connects your form to your OpenAI account so it can process and generate responses. Make sure the key is valid and has sufficient usage limits. Next, choose the ChatGPT model. Different models offer different speed and response styles. Select the one that best fits your use case. For generating structured and high-quality outputs like diet plans, GPT 5.2 is the best choice. The system prompt defines the role and behavior of the AI. It sets the tone, expertise level, and response style the AI should follow when generating output. Next is the prompt builder. This is where you combine user inputs with instructions. You can insert form field values directly into the prompt. By inserting dynamic fields, each submission generates a fully personalized output. After completing the OpenAI settings, go to the thank you screen. By default, you'll see a confirmation message. Then, delete the existing confirmation message. Now from the field panel, drag the chat completion field onto the thank you screen. This field will display the AI-generated response to the user after submission. When the form is published, the user fills in their name, age, gender, primary goal, and dietary preference. Once submitted, the OpenAI field processes the prompt using the selected model and settings. The AI then generates a custom diet plan based on the user's inputs. No manual effort required. That's how you can use the OpenAI field to turn simple forms into intelligent experiences with Makeforms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.